Nothing puts a damper on summertime fun and relaxation like doing manual labor and chores, especially cleaning out the pool. I'd rather be enjoying my pool than spending time cleaning it. I've tested so many different robotic pool cleaners in the past, and in this video, I'm going to be partnering with iGarden to take a look at a pool robot that has ultra long battery life. If you're not familiar with iGarden, they're a forward-thinking brand at the forefront of smart outdoor living, specializing in cutting-edge products for the pool ecosystem. Specifically in this video, we'll be taking a look at the iGarden Pool Cleaner K60. This has a 6-hour runtime, which is really long for a pool robot. Let's see if it makes a big difference in the way that it cleans the pool. Let's go ahead and get started. In the box, we've got our user manual. We've got our retrieval hook. Here's our charger. And then we've got the iGarden Pool Cleaner K60. All right, let's take a closer look at the machine. Right up top here, you have your control panel with the on-off button, the cleaning time, turbo mode, cleaning mode. There's an AI timer button here. Error codes would also display up here, and then you have your battery indicator light. Also right there by the control panel, there's a super ergonomic handle. I really love the design of that handle, makes it very easy to carry around. You'll notice on the machine there are tons of sensors here. So you've got 2 on the front here, infrared sensors. You've got 1 on either side. This is definitely a smart machine that knows where it is in your pool at all times. Up top here, you've got a 4-liter extra large basket there that's going to be able to hold plenty of leaves. Considering that this thing can run for 6 hours, it means you're going to be changing out the filter basket or cleaning that less often. On the back here, you've got your water outlet. You've also got your charge port, and then you've got your main brushes here. There are 2 main brushes. You've got an extra wide suction port here, and I really like this scraper right here on the bottom. That's going to funnel leaves and debris into that suction port. Next, let's take a look at some of the advanced tech inside this machine. The main thing that really sets the K60 apart is this ultra long battery life. So the battery in this machine lasts longer than any other pool robot that I've tried. This is great, especially for when your pool has extra dirt and debris, especially after a storm or maybe even a party. With 6 hours of runtime, this is going to be able to clean over your entire pool multiple times, ensuring that nothing is missed and that everything's clean on the first go. It also means that you're not going to have to pull the machine out of the pool mid-clean to recharge it. Specifically, you can see in my test that the pool was pretty dirty to begin with. I let this run its course the first time, and then I kind of left it to do its thing. I went into town, grabbed some lunch, took care of a few things, and then when I came back, you can see that everything was cleaned up and there was no debris left in the bottom of the pool. Other smart pool robots have a tendency to push debris out of the cleaning path, and because they run out of battery, they're not able to go back and clean that up. With the K60, because of the ultra long battery life, if debris is pushed out of the way, it's able to grab that on the 2nd or 3rd or even 4th pass, so you're ensured to not have anything left behind. A few things help the K60 to achieve this ultra long battery life. First up is the iGarden AI Inverter. This smartly adjusts the power based on the cleaning conditions. So when it's on the floor, it gives less power, and when it's on the wall, it gives more power. Another thing that really stands out right away is the sleek design of this machine. Now that's for more than just aesthetics. Yes, it looks really cool, kind of like a race car, or the first thing that I thought of was the Batmobile. This gives the machine fluid dynamics. It's able to kind of cut through the water with less pull and drag. It makes it more energy efficient. Other parts of the design that contribute to this efficiency are the big intake, which is really like a large hose, allowing more water to flow through the machine, a smooth interior, which gives this machine less resistance, a large inverted net giving more filtration area for less clogging, and the rear turbojet, which gives stronger propulsion. The impeller design brings higher thrust per volume, and the waterproof brushless motor contributes to a lighter weight design without sacrificing power. Another unique feature that I haven't seen on any other smart robotic pool cleaner is the smart AI timer cleaning. What's great about this is you can set up the smart AI timed cleaning. This allows you to set this to clean every 1, 2, or 3 days for either 1 or 2 hours, as well as allowing you to select between bottom mode or overall mode. With this specific model, you get a hands-free cleaning for up to 10 days. There are a few ways to control this. You can control it through the application. I found that the easiest way to control this was from the touchscreen. The touchscreen has a very minimalist and elegant design. It's very obvious which buttons control which modes on the machine, so it's really easy to set up the correct mode. This pool cleaner offers an efficient and thorough clean with 2 separate cleaning modes. You have the pool bottom only mode, and then you have the full clean mode, which includes the bottom, the wall, and the water line. When it's in the full pool cleaning mode, it does the same thing, generating a 3D pattern shape for cleaning, and as it cleans the bottom of the floor, when it reaches the wall, it actually climbs the wall, scrubbing the wall, and then it goes all the way to the water line and cleans the water line as well. This is huge for me because in my area we have an abundance of pollen, and that pollen tends to accumulate right there at the water line, so having this water line cleaning makes a huge difference. The iGarden K60 adapts to any pool shape or surface, including vinyl, concrete, fiberglass, mosaic tile, and even ceramics, so no matter what your pool shape or pool surface is, this is going to be able to handle the job. To go along with that ultra long battery life that we've talked about, this also has a 4-liter ultra large debris box, and in the same way that you don't have to worry about retrieving the pool cleaner to recharge it, you also don't have to worry about retrieving it mid-clean to empty the debris box. The debris box has a fine mesh filter, and as you can see here, it was able to trap all the leaves and even dirt and sand, which was on the bottom of the floor. Even though my pool was really dirty, the debris box was large enough that there was still plenty of space that it could have taken on more debris and more leaves. The K60 is built to last, and iGarden stands behind this pool cleaner, offering a 3-year warranty. Their policy offers direct replacement for failures. Overall, the iGarden K60 is definitely a great option for a robotic pool cleaner. I really like the fact that it does have that ultra long battery life, which allows us to clean the pool many times. I'll be sure to leave links in the description so you can find out more information about the iGarden Pool Cleaner K60 and pick one up for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.